There's a lot of tips that you can get from going to stay at a hotel that you like or going to explore new places, because you can get inspired and motivated to, in fact, stage your properties like a hotel room. You are watching the Home Arena Live. My name's Tori, Toth. I'm a celebrity home stager, best-selling author, and lifestyle expert.
And I am Sal, your pal, with the famous Tori Toth Arena.
He needs to put the arena part in. How are you guys all doing? We have had an amazing trip the past 2 weeks or so, and we are in the final stages of this trip, and we're in one of the final hotels of our journey. We've stayed in, what, 6 hotels?
Yes, 6.
In the past 2 weeks, and we've gotten a pretty good feel of obviously what we like and don't like inside hotels. We all like going to hotel rooms,
right,
and we like staying in luxurious places. So a hotel room is supposed to make you feel comfortable in a place that isn't necessarily your home, right? You're supposed to have that comforting feeling, the luxurious feeling pampered. And so we need to instill those 3 things inside your property if you're going to be putting it on the market, because we are in fact doing the same thing as a hotel chain would be doing, which is trying to make you feel at home in a property that in fact is not your home yet.
Right.
So, a few tips that you should follow in order to make your home feel like a hotel is, number 1, you want to start in your bedrooms and have all your bedding be plush bedding in neutral colors that shows off a more luxurious style in your property, and it makes a buyer feel, number 1, more relaxed and comfortable as soon as they walk into any one of the bedrooms. And look, we have plush bedding right now. And you can do this. You can just curl up with it, right? You want to curl up with it.
But it's got to be made, right? You have to show
beds
off.
Always have to be made too, yes. So just as important as your bedroom is the bathrooms. And I don't know about you, but when I go to a hotel room, that bathroom better be clean.
Right. You don't want to walk into, especially if you're going to take a shower and you got to get out, you want it to be relaxed. You want it to be clean. You don't want to go to the bathroom and see it like in disorder.
It should feel like an oasis, right? We don't want your towels on the floor for buyers to trip over them.
Well,
you should have white. You should have white spa quality plush towels hanging in your bathroom. You could even have them rolled in a certain way. But with that being said, you want to make sure that you are putting in items inside of your bathroom that is spa quality. That's going to make you feel like you're in an oasis, right, or it's going to make you actually want to hang around in your bathroom. I don't know about you, but yeah, the bathrooms that were outdated
was the reef
made us feel like the whole entire property was then outdated.
And your eye just caught different things throughout the hotel. And Tori is right about what she's saying right now. It was outdated.
Besides plush bedding and making your bathrooms look up to date, on trend, and spa-like, you want to then take a look around you. What is the region that you're living in telling you, or what's the story of that region? So, for instance, we are by the beach right now in Bali,
right,
and you can tell inside this hotel room specifically, there are a lot of organic materials, a lot of organic woods, driftwood, palm trees. What else do we have here?
The pool outside.
Take a cue from your outside and bring that inside to just kind of extend the theme and remind the buyer too that, hey, they're buying the house in the mountains or the house by the beach. And so when you're using those themes, reflecting from what they're already seeing on the outside in the neighborhood, it's just going to click.
Yeah, it's going to trigger
that much more in their heads. everybody loves being on vacation, right? I mean, we're kind of getting sad now because we've been on vacation for almost 2 weeks. We have to go back home and
deal with
face reality. But I will say this. We have, over the years, we've learned this. We've extended our vacation and our vacation style to the outside of our property. So even though we're going home, we still have an oasis to go home to. We
Absolutely.
can still hang out in our pool, embrace summer. And so you want to take that vacation style that's around in your region and apply it to your outdoor living spaces too, because outdoor buyers are looking for outdoor living spaces. They want that extension of their home and their lifestyle. So make sure that you are highlighting that
sure.
in your properties too when you're putting them on the market.
Yeah.
Another thing too is that you want to be able to tell a story with the stuff that you are showcasing in your home, right? Obviously, you need to declutter. A hotel room, there is no clutter in there. There's the basic necessities, and then there is a story, right, around the room that you're staying in. So think of the story that you should be sharing, and that will actually emotionally connect to your potential buyer. So are you trying to sell a family home? Is it a story around a family and where they can collectively eat dinner and where homework can be done and where playtime happens and where the parents can retreat? Or is it more of a bachelor pad lifestyle where you need to set up the entertaining in the bar area and have an amazing view, right? And an amazing place to sit outside. So think about the story that you're trying to tell inside your home. And again, you could take cues from the hotels that are around you that you actually like.
Right.
Because hotels do a lot of research on this, right? They are trying to collectively take the region and the area that they're going to be planting their flag and putting their hotel in, and they're trying to then make that hotel stand out in that neighborhood and use, the local culture,
right, the surroundings again,
to embrace, right? to embrace the story. We would love to hear your comments below. What makes a good hotel for you guys? What do you guys want to stay in? What makes you say, yes, this is my hotel, or my even hotel chain that you always tend to go back to?
Right.